Welcome to English 3393. In this video, I want to quickly just take you through a navigation of the course. Even though we'll be navigating the course in this video, I recommend that after viewing the video that you also go through and navigate the course on your own. So this is Introduction to Technical Writing. And the way this course is taught is what's called asynchronous. And what that means is there are no designated times when we all have to be online. There are due dates for assignments that you must complete. When you complete them, it's up to you as long as you meet the due dates. And so if you just scroll through, this is a home page. It has a little bit about the course. Our course syllabus is on this page, and assignment sheets will be listed here. And videos will be here, and then any additional readings that you have. The way the course is set up is there are these weekly folders. And so what you'll want to do is at the beginning of each week, you'll want to go in and read what's in each of the folders. And I'm going to switch to student view because right now you should be able to see week 1 folder only. This is more information about the course, assignment sheets, and this is the information that's on the home page. So you can either click on the link or you can just get it directly from the home page. This is brief information about the course. Nothing really there. Another copy of our syllabus is here. Our grade book. And so for our first assignment, the letter memo assignment, I have those due dates. And I'll be updating all the due dates for all of the assignments this week. This is coursework. And so as you can see, discussion forum open with the correct due date, Sunday, January 20th. As you scroll through, you see these need to be updated. Our first assignment is a letter memo assignment. We also have a reading quiz this week. And so this is one way to just kind of check what's due when. But you don't necessarily have to use this. The same information is in the syllabus and will be included in each of your folders. And then lastly is course mates. And so if you wanted to send an email to anyone in the course, this is one way that you could do it if you didn't know their email address. Alright, so in week 1, for the most part each week there'll be an overview of the week's assignments, discussion forum, and then PowerPoint lectures if there are any. Here are these. I'll open the week 1 overview in just a minute. To access the forum, you just click there. And then we have our 2 discussions. If you click on the topic, there's more information about it. And then you select add a post. You won't be able to see other posts until after you've added yours. So you want to make sure, I don't want you to, come in and think, oh my gosh, there's no one's posted. There are 2 topics in this week, and most weeks there will be. Make sure you read closely the requirements for our weekly forums. For this week, our first topic is just a welcome, and so this post needs to be made by Sunday. However, for our second post, which is content related, your first post should be made on or before Tuesday at 11:55, and your second on or before Sunday at 11:55. Your second post is a response to another student who has not been responded to. Okay? Alright, so let's go to the overview. Just waiting for this document to open. Come on. Alright. I have a slow computer. Alrighty. So this is what the weekly overview looks like. Gives you some points, some things to do before beginning the week. It lists the assignments, and again, this is the same information you'll see in the syllabus, just with less detail. Our forum topics. So, a couple things to remember. There's a 200 to 250 word count requirement for your posts. So week 1, welcome. This is what you'll see when you go to the discussion forum. Week 2, same thing. This is what we saw. And then here's the grading rubric for post 1 for the second discussion topic and for post 2. Okay. I'm going to close that. And that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I recommend that you get in the course and begin navigating around ASAP. Courses do begin Monday, January 14th. And so, yeah, get in the course and navigate it, and let me know if you have any questions.